My review on the Goehners Industrial Tools Maintenance Rack. Comfortably supports up to 100 pounds. Rotates with the work of this plastic arm that I think is pretty durable. Locks into place with a single switch. Has handlebar holder. Soft rubber jaws will not damage your bike. Telescopic, and you can rotate it with the work of these handles here. Strong, robust, and stable feet. Tool tray can support screwdrivers, pliers, and whatever you throw at it. Rotational test. You can easily pedal your bikes with it being stable. And even with fat bike tires, it stays in place. Buy it on Amazon for $150, free shipping with Prime. See ya.